Key Command 1, undo zoom. You know when you want to go look at something in more detail, you'll zoom like this, horizontally, maybe also vertically. And then when you want to go back to a bit of an overview, you don't want to be doing all of it in reverse. So you can just undo zoom, and that's this one. And if you want to be able to redo a zoom, you can assign this one too. Key Command 2, go to left locator. Imagine working on a section here and you have a cycle, but then you go somewhere else in the project for whatever reason, and you want to come back to the start of the cycle. Instead of having to go back and click, you can use this one, go to left locator. And that's all it does, like this. If you don't just want to go to the left locator, but also start playback, for example, you can create a macro. And for playback, that would be this one. Go to left locator and start stop. And then you get this. So I'm here, I'm going to hit my key command, and it starts playing from the left locator. Light work. Key Command 3. If you solo a couple of tracks and you want to unsolo them all, you can go to this button, deactivate all solo states, but that's a long way to travel to then land on a little button, so the key command comes in very handy. And that's this one. And you can also do it for the mute states if you need that as well. Key Command 4, bypass. So you're tweaking a plugin and you want to do a quick bypass to hear what's going on. So instead of clicking like this, and I think this one is assigned by default, Option or Alt A, and that's this one. Activate and deactivate focused object. Key Command 5 is one that I mentioned in a previous video that blew some people's minds, so it had to be in here. Crop range. You select a range and you crop. Very useful. And that's this one, crop range. Key Commands 6 and 7 are ones that I made with the Project Logical Editor, the PLE, and it's one to select all audio in a project like this, and one to select all MIDI like this. If you want to see these in use, I'll link a video below. If you want to make these presets yourself, I'll make sure that you can take a screenshot. And then if you name your presets, you'll very easily find them in the Key Commands menu where you can assign a key command. And if you don't want to make them yourself, I'll make them available as a download. It'll all be in the description. And Key Commands 8 and 9, previous and next snap types. I switch a lot between grid, relative grid, and events. So instead of going up here, I can change them like this. And that's these ones, previous and next. By the way, if you want to know what all of the snap types do, I'll link that video below as well. I hope that helped. If you want me to make a part 2, let me know. Thanks for watching and have fun making music. Bye.